Damn, Danielle! Back at it again with another video.
Huh? Packing the mail, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed a deal, I'm on. Yeah, yeah.
explain myself.
Something for y'all to cut up to you. Yeah. Everybody get your motherfucking roll on. I know shorty and she doesn't want no slow song. Had a man last year, life goes on. Haven't let a thing loose, girl, in so long. You been inside, know you like to lay low. I've been peeping what you bringing to the table. Working hard, girl, everything paid for. First, last phone bill, car, no cable. With your phone out, gotta hit the Legos. With your phone out, snapping like you Fable. Need to show no, but it's alright. It's a short life, it's a short life, it's a short life. You was even bad then. You ain't stressing off no lover in the past tense. You already had them. Work at 8 a.m. Finish round 5. Post call down, you don't see them outside. Yep, they don't really be the same offline. You know dog days, you know hard time. Doing overtime for the last month. Saturday, call the girl, get them gassed up. Gotta hit the club, gotta make the ass jump. Gotta hit the club like you hit the motherfucking angles. With your phone out, snapping like you Fable. Ain't showing off, but it's alright. Ain't showing off, but it's alright. It's a short life, it's a short life.
Site B Productions. Site B Productions.
Do that shit with your feet again, bro.
Back it up.
Bro. Alright.
Back it up.
Alright. Hold up. Do that shit with your feet. Get your feet. When you twist it and you pull it and you spin it around. Like.
Back it up. 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 Back it up.
Bro. Alright.
Back it up.
Alright.
Okay guys, so that is it for this birthday transformation. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It was really fun recreating this look because, as you guys know, my birthday was July the 13th. That was a couple of days ago, or 2 days ago, and I didn't have time to film makeup and like hair, dress, all that the day of my birthday because it was so hectic and I was running around trying to do every single thing and get everything done. But I decided to refilm the video, well, not refilm the video, but I decided to film the video of my makeup, my hair, and my dress that I wore for my birthday. This is what the dress looked like, and you guys gonna see in the video. The link to this dress will be down below in the description area. I did get this dress from Pretty Little Things. This dress is in a size 6. I do have another one of these dresses if you guys want to buy it, because I bought 2 sizes. I bought a size 4 because I thought the material was kind of stretchy, because it looks type of stretchy, but it is not a stretchy dress at all. So I had to move up in a size, which I got it in a size 6, which kind of was a little bit snug. I could have done an 8, but since I plan on losing weight, 6 is just fine, because I do plan on wearing this dress again sometimes later. in live, so I'm fine with the 6, but I know for a fact I will not be able to fit the 4, so I will be selling the dress in a size 4. So you guys gonna see what the dress look like in this video. Well, you have seen what the dress look like because this is the end of the video, so you see what the dress look like. So if you are interested in buying this dress in a size 4, please message me, DM me on Instagram, email me, or whatever, and I will send you the other dress that's just like this one. So yeah, that is the information that I wanted to let you guys know about this dress. It is from Pretty Little Things. I do have 2 of them. My shoes, I'm not sure if you guys can see my shoes. I try to get a good view of my shoes, but I'm not sure. But my shoes, I got them from Amazon. They're kind of like a holographic type of material, like snake, but the bands and the straps around it are clear. I got those from Amazon, and I will link below the size of my shoes. I mean the link for my shoes. I also forgot to mention, because I did mention that I am wearing a size 6 in this dress, and it is a little bit snug. I am 155 pounds. My weight does fluctuate, and I did eat, so yeah, that's my size. So if you're 155, between 158 pounds, because like I said, my weight does fluctuate, I got this in a size 6, and I am 5'5", 5'6". Some people say I'm 5'6", but I'm 5'5" or whatever. But yeah, that's the size I did get in this dress. This hair, I got it from Amazon. Again, I will link that down below in the description area. And as you can see, all I did was just crimp the hair. It was a little bit longer. I got it in a size, I got it in an inch 16th, and then I just chopped it because this is the look I was going for my hair. So I did just like kind of cut it, but eventually I'm gonna, because the cuts on this is not even at all. Because you wasn't really gonna be able to tell that the cut was uneven, I just did something so I told you the day of my birthday everything was hectic. But yeah, that is it for this whole video. If you guys like this braid fade get ready with me edition, please let me know. Hit that thumbs up button. If you want me to do more videos like this, please let me know down in the comment section. I really did enjoy doing this video for you guys. I really enjoyed this makeup look that I did for you guys, just everything. I just enjoyed the whole video and modeling for you guys my birthday dress. So that's it, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.
Back it up, 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 back it up.